This is the cold start video for my 2003 Range Rover HSE. Car has been started in over 24 hours. Block temp is 70 degrees. Now let's go check the temp gauge in the car and we'll get a starting view from the exhaust standpoint. And we'll move it over to the engine while it's still cold also. And we'll monitor RPMs. Temp gauge is on the line. Let's go set this up. These hidden exhausts we're going to try and get our best view of. There we go. It's about as close as we can get. Get a shot of the engine while it's still cold. All right, check the RPM gauge on the inside, and we should be ready for some light exhaust revs. Stable RPMs. Temperature coming up nicely. Let's get some exhaust revs. That's perfect. All right, let's get some engine shots. See if we can balance it on the engine and get some revs. Right here on this big old air filter compartment. Coming off the line nice. Roll down the window, get some revs inside the car. All right, thank you for watching. Stand by for driving video.